Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to apply different discount for product variation for multiple product using plugin in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to add different discount for product variation. Now go to dashboard, scroll down on left side, you see plugin. So click on add new. So we are going to install plugin. Then in search plugin, write WooCommerce product price custom tax before and after tax and discount plugin. So this is plugin we are using. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after the activation, scroll up on left side, you see WooCommerce, and then you see product price custom tax and discount. So click on it. So now we are in custom tax and discount tab, and then scroll down, you see use custom tax and discount. So we already enable this plugin like this, and then you see select pages. So we select all pages, shop page, product page, cart page, and then you see product category. If you want, you can add prefix suffix with WooCommerce price, and then you see discount type, drop down, amount, flat rate, percentage, and then you see discount question mark. So click on it. Now you see specify the discount you want to apply. This discount will be applied to the all product. If you want to apply discount on all product globally, so you can add amount here and then click on save changes. Now setting saved, go to product page. So we are going to add different custom discount for variation. Now click on edit product. Now edit product open and scroll down. We are in product data, and then you see price, tax and discount. So click on it. If you want to use simple product, then you can enable this. So currently we are using variable product. Now go to variation, so click on it. Now you see we have a lot of variation. Now expand, and then scroll down, you see product price custom tax and discount. For this variation, enable this option, and then you see discount type, percentage or flat amount. So you can select according to your requirement. Now I select percentage. So we are going to apply 50% discount for this variation, and then click on update. Now product updated done. Go to product page and refresh the page. Now you see our product price range is changed. Now you see drop down. Now select variation. Now you see 50% discount apply on this variation. Now select another variation, and you don't see any discount on this variation because we applied discount on this variation only. So you can add discount for multiple variation according to your requirement by using this plugin. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.